What's up, guys? Today figured I'll charge these EBL cells up, their 26650s, and do a proper testing on them. So we're on the bad thing about these is you can only fit two in at a time, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. And it is now almost 1 o'clock, so 12:58. Got the NOR test going on Bay 1, NOR on 2. Okay, guys, we are 10 hours, 20 minutes. Bay 1, we come in at 3.62 volts. The cells are rated for 5,000 milliamps. Well, we got 5239, so that's 5,239 milliamps with a 17 internal resistance, which is the MR. Bay 4 is a very impressive 3.58 volts, 5,505 milliamps, and that has a 17 internal resistance MR. Did this at 1,000 milliamps. I started it at 12:58, so it took 10 hours and 52 minutes for that battery. So I got 2 more to do, and we'll see what they come out with. But these, I would highly recommend them. Yes, they only have a 5 amp draw, but the capacity is great. I mean, low internal resistance looks promising to me.